many wounds is too much? How many scars will it take? How many battles can I survive?